This is going to be a quick video on how to use LPR camera's playback system. So first, in the browser, what you're going to want to do is go to the Smart section. And this is only for cameras that are specifically LPR cameras that are using both the plate detection and plate comparison modes. So once you've verified that that is true for you, you're going to go over to VCA Search. Once you click on that, you are then going to click on Motor Vehicle Search. And here we're going to just go ahead and select only the LPR camera. So I'm going to scroll down to my LPR, select that. And then the only other options you really need to worry about here are the start time. So you can select whatever time frame you're looking for. Go ahead and hit the start date, and then the end time. Same deal here, just select the date. You can select specific times of the day if you'd like. Most of these other options you can just leave on all. The only one that does matter is plate number. If you leave it blank, it'll show you all of the plates, but if you are looking for a specific plate number, you can type it in here and it will go ahead and search your database for that plate. I do think that you should leave all of the letters capitalized just to make sure that it understands what the plate number is you're looking for. So if we click search with nothing, it'll show me all of the playback in that range of every license plate that it was able to capture. So if I take this license plate number here and copy it, I can go back to motor vehicle search. And here I'm going to go ahead and have to reselect the LPR camera again real fast. But you can put in a larger range now since you're looking for a specific plate. And then after you've selected whatever that range is, make sure you go into the plate number and put the plate that you're looking for here. And now when you hit search, you will bring up specifically only that license plate at every time it was able to capture it. You can hit play on any of the video clips and it'll show you the associated video for that plate capture. And then if you'd like to see all of the pages, just use the icons down at the bottom here to select the page number you're looking for. It'll show you every time it was able to capture it. Under every incidence, it'll give you the date and time for that capture. And if you hit the plus on the sub image here, it'll show you the date and time at the top of the capture for the license plate. So thank you for watching the video. Let us know if you have any questions.